I'm TV6 meteorologist Eric DeBroca, and this is your weather on demand. Well, if you have any New Year's Eve festivities, heading out for midnight, watch the ball drop or set some fireworks off. Temperatures not too bad yet. They will get a little bit colder in a couple of hours, but it's going to be in the interior UP where we see temperatures drop into the low teens. But hugging along Lake Superior here, we're holding steady. 24 degrees in Munising, 21 in Marquette, and 25 for Copper Harbor, so not too bad of a night or what it could be for this time of the year. The winds, that's always a big factor as well. Certainly has been as of late, with gusts over 30-40 miles an hour, brought the wind chills to single digits below zero. Tonight is not the case, but we do have a little bit of a wind, 10 miles an hour from the west out of Sawyer, and a 21-mile-an-hour gust from Houghton. So those wind chills are producing wind chills in the teens, which is not all that brutal, but off to the west, 10 degrees is what it feels like in Houghton, and 6 from Ironwood. Today officially we had a temperature reading of 26 degrees, which is right in line with the averages, but like a lot of days or nights in the month, we were well above that low of 16 degrees. There are averages. The low once again comes down now to 7, and the sunset came up 1 minute at 5:13. Well, let's take a look at the other temperatures across our region. Green Bay 23, Madison sits at 24 degrees. And let's look to the south and west because that is where our temperatures or our air mass is going to be coming from over the next couple of days. So that's good. We keep the real Arctic stuff in check, at least for now. They will be making a cameo appearance later on next week to open up the first week of 2017. But let's give you some December notes on how the month fell. We saw near normal temperatures, believe it or not, even though we had many sub-zero nights. Actually, we were completely below zero all the way from December the 10th through December the 19th, each and every one of those nights. But then we had a above average stretch where that kicked us back to right around average temperatures when you factor in the highs and the lows. As far as snowfall, believe it or not, we were right in line with average too. We received almost 42 inches of snow, and 42.8 is where we should be at the Weather Service. I know many folks in the Keweenaw Peninsula were nowhere near that. They received double, even 2.5 times that amount there, as they were flirting with record-breaking snow. But at the National Weather Service in Marquette County, we were kind of the hit or miss, and a lot of times we missed the big ones. But we did have the biggest one fell on December 17th with nearly 14 inches of snowfall from that storm, which was of course enhanced by lake effect, which Marquette County didn't do too well for lake effect snow for the month. But now we look off to the north and west. We see clouds increasing, but it'll give us maybe a chance of flurries through the morning hours, but mainly that's going to go north over Lake Superior. Nothing to worry about for us. Overnight tonight, temperatures will range from 13 to 18 from south to north, mostly clear across the south, maybe a couple of flurries in the north, but nothing to worry about. The sun breaks out all across the UP tomorrow. A few more clouds across the north, though. 24 to 30 will be the highs from west to east. Your TV 6-day forecast now. We have this storm system that I've been talking about the last couple of days. It does look like it's going a little bit farther west. So there are winter storm watches in effect for the Arrowhead of Minnesota as well as extreme eastern Wisconsin. It would look like the western UP is going to get hit with significant snowfall, and the rest of us will be mixed with rain and at times some sleet. So stay tuned for that. Several inches of snowfall is expected, but behind that is where the shoe falls and Arctic temperatures return, with many nights next week going below zero.